Welcome back to another video of Davian's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing the ringtones and sounds onto the Pantech Breeze 4 on AT&T. Now this is a phone that I just got recently, as you can see here. Now this is what it looks like on the home screen. Now let's go ahead and go right here into my stuff, and then audio, and then we will start with alert tones and ringtones, as you can see here. Now we have these ringtones here. Now let's go ahead and go to basic alert. Oh, sorry about that. Haven't filmed a ringtones video on a Galaxy S7 and Rose Gold in a while. Alright, is that it? Yep, it is. Now let's go ahead and go to ringtones. Now we have around 7 ringtones to listen to. We'll go all the way to Journey. Has the AT&T ringtones, just like my old Blackberry Classic did, right here on the first year of this channel. Now let's go ahead and listen to these 4 AT&T ringtones, and we'll go on with the rest of the ringtones, as you can see here. Here's the one right here. There's a lot of AT&T variety ringtones here. Oops. Now that's going to do it with me with the ringtones and sounds for the Pantech Breeze 4 on AT&T. This is Davian's phone collection. Thank you for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you again in the next video.